Hi everyone, I am Dr. Sriram. Today we will go for genuine review about one Scopus Indexed Journal called Nanotechnology Perception. Let me check it. This journal is really indexed at Scopus or not. At the direct Google search, it is indicating first journal is Nanotechnology Perception. The website URL is nano_nlp.com. There is no any other journals related with the name, means there is no any cloning journal. You have to check at least 2-3 pages. There is no any other journals, means there is no cloning journal is there. So let me check it, this journal directly. This is the home page. The ISSN number is genuinely mentioned 166067995. Let me check first the ISSN number is genuinely there or not. Just keep it and put ISSN. You will find out the ISSN number. So in that ISSN portal, it's showing the proper ISSN number and it is confirmed as per database, and the journal is from Netherlands. That is also one of the first check we did. Then let me go for editorial team members. The editorial team member Professor Jesus D. Silva from Peru, that is European country, and yes, Scopus ID is also given. It's good. See, this is the editor-in-chief Scopus ID. It's going perfectly. At the same time, editorial board members are from various countries, like most of them are from European countries. In that editorial board members, their contact number or email ID is not given. Here, the Scopus SJR direct link is also given. By clicking this also, it will be goes to Scopus database, and let me check the Scopus database with the ISSN number. The ISSN number is 166069795. Scopus database ISSN number. We will enter the ISSN number here and find the sources. Exactly there, the nanotechnology perception. The Scopus content coverage is from 2008 to 2025. It's there. ISSN number is also correct only. Let me check Scopus content coverage. See, the Scopus content coverage only creating some doubts. See, up to 2023, only 16 documents, means 16 articles are goes for content coverage. See, 2022 only 12 articles, 2022 only 13 documents, means only 13 articles are comes into the content coverage. But suddenly 2024, 342 documents are comes under the content coverage, and they created advanced issue also. 2025 issue, 4 documents they are created, that also advancedly it's covered under the Scopus. It's good only. Currently those articles which are published in these journals are comes under the content coverage, but we have to aware about in these situations, because if the more number of articles are published, see how the archives, you go to archives, see up to 2023 only few numbers are there, means number 1, number 2, number 3, means 3 issues only they published. But suddenly volume 20, issue 1, issue 2, issue 3, after that so many special issue. S1 means special issue 1, special issue 2, up to special issue 8 they published, means they released so many special issues. It's also not correct. In that each and every special issue, so many articles are published. See, this many articles are published. Hundreds of articles are published in per special issues. See, this also special issue 7, and this also so many articles are published. Most of the names are from Tamil Nadu. Muruganandam, Jai Ganesh, Revati, these names are belongs to Tamil Nadu. See, this many articles are published. Surprisingly, see that Titus, Lilith, Anthony, the both name continuously published. See, next articles with that presenting others, it's published. So, genuine Scopus Indexed Journal will not publish like this manner. See how many articles he published the particular issues. Titus means, oh my god, he published more than 5 articles in the same issue. Means 5 articles at a time he published. So this is also going on. So this also definitely genuine Scopus journals will not do like this manner, and actually the publications time is minimum they will take for 6 months to 1 year, 1.5 years also. But immediately they are going for publications means there is some warning came from Scopus database. Means Scopus provider, they are giving some warning to them. As soon as possible, chance to remove from the Scopus. The possibilities is there. At the same time, luckily, currently, some articles are going for content coverage. This is called content coverage. Scopus content coverage is very much important. Without Scopus content coverage, there is no use. If it is comes under the content coverage, then only your H index and the value will be increased. Otherwise, if that Scopus Index journals is not comes under the content coverage, there is no value. See, this authors Scopus database means these are all the content coverage. So these articles are comes under the content coverage. So that is the meaning. And let me check about how much publications fee in the particular journal. Article processing charge 700 USD they are charging, means nearly 50 above 50,000 they are charging. But some backdoor processing, some agencies they are charging 35 to 40,000 they are charging and go for publications. But currently it is going for content coverage. In this conclusions, what I would like to tell is currently it's genuinely there in the Scopus database, but this many articles they are publishing means when they will remove from the Scopus database we can't tell. That's the reasons be aware about this journal before publications. If any your PhD work is there means today you are publishing, but it's not comes under the content coverage means also problem. And one more thing, some special issues if they are published and the university is not accepting, that situation is also very bad for you. So before publications, be aware about this journal. Thanks for watching.